With this new method, you can make hundreds of dollars in a matter of weeks. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps I took, as well as any obstacles I encountered along the road and how to get over them so you can earn money as soon as possible. What type of service can one offer using Google Maps? I genuinely intended to turn this into an income-generating idea, so I visited Google Skillshop, another amazing website where you can obtain some free classes on how to use most Google services. In order to learn for free how I could generate listings for clients like these ones that would stand out whenever people searched online, I went to the search box and typed in Google My Business. I discovered that they have a free course that is 42 minutes long. Using the knowledge I had gained, I went to maps.google.com and began looking for clients. I entered beauty in the United States in the search field and received results similar to these. Now that there are multiple beauty spa businesses displayed on the left side of this page, I scrolled down the list and essentially examined each one of their business profiles to see if they were utilizing the free Google Wine Business search. I continued the analysis down the list, by the way, and I also looked up a number of small local companies like cat groomers, pet shops, painters, etc., rather than limiting my search to just a few companies in a single nation, in order to find the many companies out there that are not utilizing an optimized online profile. I was confident that I could provide these companies with my knowledge and they would pay me in return, such as those with incomplete business profiles like this one or those that have not yet claimed their business accounts. I copied the contact information of these businesses into a Google Sheets document, after which I contacted each of them via email or phone, and if neither of those methods was successful, I would DM them on social media. As I was doing this, I realized that I had forgotten to do something very important when making cold calls, which is that I was supposed to make sure to have a very strong cold email template, so I went to ChatGPT. By the way, I am well aware that ChatGPT is not yet available in the majority of countries worldwide, but don't worry, there are a ton of other comparatively good AI chatbots you can use that will give you the same excellent results. For instance, there is this one called �W𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠, where all you have to do is type out for me a cold email template that I can send to businesses that need it and then edit it to make it specific to the potential customer after I have created several email templates with ChatGPT. I contacted as many businesses as I could, selling my services to those businesses that had their phone numbers available. I simply made calls and talked to either the owner or the person who was in charge. It was a really interesting experience, and if you are going to pursue this method of making money online, using any AI chatbot software, there is also a chance that some of these companies won't be interested in your services. If this happens, don't be offended, it's actually fairly common. Instead, move on to the next company on your list and try to sell to as many companies as you can. Also, don't forget to create a PayPal or Payoneer account so that you can receive payments for your services. In order to overcome this, I went to Fiverr.com and searched for Google My Business in the search results. There, I found over 4,000 freelancers that you can contact and pay a small fee to do the work for you while you concentrate on attracting more clients. By the way, you can see that I was literally swarmed with orders for my services and worried that I wouldn't be able to deliver on time. Additionally, his typical response time is 1 hour, which is exciting news because if you were able to get at least 5 clients per week, each paying you at least $200 each, and you paid the freelancers on Fiverr.com to do it for you, you would be able to handle many clients and earn a lot of money doing this. From local businesses to online ventures, Google Maps offers a powerful platform to connect with potential customers and clients. Whether you're a small business owner looking to boost your visibility or an entrepreneur seeking to tap into the digital world, the tools provided by Google Maps can be a game changer. Thanks for tuning into this wild trick of earning money, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting content from us in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.